Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Jio unveils. Jio TeleFrame, as an AI hub for smart homes, Reliance Jio has announced Jio TeleFrame, a new smart home device designed to act as a central hub for AI agents within the household. The company describes it as a platform that connects and manages multiple AI-powered services, helping users handle communication, entertainment, productivity, and smart home controls from a single interface. Jio TeleFrame is expected to integrate with Jio's growing AI ecosystem and connected devices, offering a more personalized and intelligent home experience. The launch reflects Jio's broader vision of bringing AI-driven technology and digital services to everyday consumers across India. WhatsApp Plus subscription introduces exclusive premium features. WhatsApp has announced WhatsApp Plus, a new subscription service priced at 79 rupees per month. Offering users access to several premium features, subscribers will receive enhanced customization options, exclusive chat themes, advanced profile settings, and additional tools designed to improve messaging and personalization. The service aims to provide a more premium WhatsApp experience while maintaining the app's core privacy and security features. Although the rollout has been announced, availability may vary by region and user group. The move reflects Meta's growing focus on subscription-based services and additional revenue streams beyond advertising and business messaging. Adobe brings AI agents to Photoshop and Premiere Pro. Adobe is introducing AI-powered agents into Photoshop and Premiere Pro to automate repetitive and time-consuming creative tasks. These intelligent assistants can help with editing, organizing assets, suggesting improvements, and streamlining workflows, allowing creators to focus more on creativity and less on manual work. In Photoshop, AI agents can assist with image editing and design adjustments, while in Premiere Pro, they can help with video editing and content organization. Adobe says the new tools are designed to boost productivity, reduce editing time, and make professional creative software more accessible to users of all skill levels. Gemini Live gains memory and connected app integration. Google has upgraded Gemini Live with new memory and app integration features, making conversations more personalized and useful. The AI assistant can now remember details from previous chats, allowing for more natural follow-up discussions without users having to repeat information. Gemini Live can also access connected Google apps and services, helping users manage tasks, retrieve information, and complete actions across multiple platforms more efficiently. The update aims to make Gemini a more capable personal assistant by improving context awareness, continuity, and productivity, while giving users greater control over how their data and conversation history are used. Instagram introduces individual captions for carousel posts. Instagram has rolled out a new feature that allows users to add separate captions to each slide in a carousel post. Previously, creators could only use a single caption for the entire carousel. The update gives users more flexibility to provide context, tell stories, share detailed information, or highlight specific content on individual images and videos. The feature is expected to benefit creators, businesses, educators, and influencers who rely on carousel posts for engagement. By making content more interactive and informative, Instagram aims to enhance storytelling and improve the overall user experience on the platform. Nothing teases new smartphone launch confirms it's not the CMF Phone 3 Pro. Nothing has started teasing its TQ launch of a new smartphone, creating speculation among fans about its next device. However, the company has clarified that the upcoming phone is not the CMF Phone 3 Pro, ruling out one of the most popular rumors. Teaser images hint at a fresh design and possibly a new product category within the Nothing ecosystem. While official specifications remain under wraps, the company is expected to reveal more details in the coming weeks. The announcement has generated excitement as Nothing continues expanding its smartphone portfolio and strengthening its presence in the competitive market. Today's AI tool is Novemira. AI-powered WordPress development assistant Novemira is a WordPress plugin that connects AI agents directly to a website's PHP environment, allowing access to databases, files, WP-CLI commands, and live code execution. Built on the Model Context Protocol (MCP), it works with tools like Claude, Gemini, Cursor, and GitHub Copilot. By giving AI access to the actual WordPress setup, Novemira helps reduce coding errors and generates more accurate fixes. The plugin supports database queries, file editing, and automation tasks, making it valuable for developers managing WordPress sites. However, it is recommended primarily for staging and development environments. Today, our lead story is about Mukesh Ambani unveils a vision for affordable and trusted AI at Reliance AGM 2026. At Reliance Industries AGM 2026, Mukesh Ambani emphasized the need to make artificial intelligence affordable, accessible, and trustworthy for everyone. He outlined Reliance's strategy to build AI infrastructure and services tailored to India's needs, focusing on large-scale adoption across businesses, education, healthcare, and public services. Ambani highlighted the importance of responsible AI development, data security, and local innovation. Reliance plans to leverage its digital ecosystem and technology partnerships to accelerate AI adoption, aiming to make advanced AI capabilities available to millions of users and businesses across the country. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.